This is an S350, a M112 engine. This is how to find a vacuum leak. So if you come right here next to the mass airflow sensor, right here, there's a little nipple. If I can get the camera, yeah. So there's already this hose attached to it, yeah. But what you will find is this plug on it, yeah. So it's connected right to the intake. So I got it here. I got my, this is a I believe it's a 4mm hose in the diameter, right? And when I blow in it, right, that goes straight to the intake. So you can use a smoke machine. I do it the simple way with some e-cigarette, and that's how to find a vacuum leak. M112, perhaps the V8 M113 as well.